हेलो गाइस, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे नए लेक्चर में. सो विच इज़ our first video on atomic odyssey. So actually this is for all those who are preparing for IIT-JAM, okay, as well as CUCET as well as KSET exams, right? So this is the first video, okay, and subsequently we will be uploading daily a named reaction video, okay, with examples, okay, with proper explanation जो आपके एग्जाम के लेवल के लिए होना चाहिए. Okay, so be with us and show your support and love. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so here what I have is, so the first reaction that today I have bought is aldol condensation. Okay, aldol condensation, it is a very basic reaction that you have studied in your PUC. मतलब ये आपने आपके PUC में पढ़ रखा है, ठीक है. What does this reaction say? Okay, any aldehyde ketone, ठीक है, कोई aldehyde या ketone जिसमें अल्फा हाइड्रोजन हो, which contains alpha hydrogen, atom undergoes a reversible reaction, a reversible self addition reaction in the presence of alkali medium. So it is very important, alkali medium आपका बहुत important है to give a condensation product called beta hydroxy aldehyde or ketone. Okay, again it depends on the आपका aldehyde होगा कि ketone होगा, right? So what, so here द जनरल स्टेटमेंट दैट हमने जो देखा वो कहता है कि एक एल्डिहाइड एक कीटोन जिसका अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होना बहुत जरूरी है, वो इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ गैस बेस गिव्स अ कंडेंसेशन टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन which gives a product called beta hydroxy. Okay, beta hydroxy आपका product मिलता है. Let's see the general reactions. See, this is one aldehyde, this is aldehyde. Here आपको 2 moles of aldehyde चाहिए. Okay, 2 moles of either aldehyde or ketone. Okay, so it both of them are necessary. Okay, in aldol it is required that alpha hydrogen should be present, and one more thing is the reactant should be of same molecules. Okay, both the molecules should be same, right? So these two molecules, reactant molecules, same molecules, will give a beta hydroxyaldehyde. See, the product also formed is aldehyde, right? Here it is aldehyde, and on the second part what we have is the second reaction that we have is ketones. Okay, यहाँ पे दो acetones है, right? यहाँ पे भी एक acetone है. So when they react in the presence of alkali medium, this is also alkali medium. ठीक है, for example let me take a NaOH, and here also NaOH, right? So these are the two alkali mediums. So based on this what I get is beta hydroxy ketone, right? Yeah, it is double bond O. Okay, don't mistake it. Now how does this mechanism go with? So what happens is when one of the reactant, let us say this is your ketone, in presence of base, okay, so what does base do? The base usually abstracts proton. Okay, base, what they do is base abstracts proton, abstracts protons. Abstracts proton मतलब proton निकाल लेता है reactant से, ठीक है. So in our case it should be always alpha hydrogen, right? So it should be an alpha hydrogen, right? ठीक है, CH2 C डबल बॉन्ड. सो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन से एक बेस निकालिया तो आपके इसमें नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा किस पे? अल्फा पोजीशन पे. व्हाई? क्योंकि प्रोटॉन निकाला गया है, सिर्फ एक प्रोटॉन निकाला गया है, दैट इज योर माइनस एच, राइट? सो जब ये प्रोटॉन निकाला जाएगा तो एक नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा. सो दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज इज अगेन इन रेजोनेंस विथ कीटोन, राइट? सो जब रेजोनेंस में आएगा सो ये आपके कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड के साथ रेजोनेंस में रहेगा. Then what happens is one more molecule, okay, so the another molecule what we had will come into action, that is ये जो आपका pi bond है, it will go and attack on this thing, right? So it will go and attack on this thing. So how you can show is ये नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ पे आ गया और ये कार्बन से जो ये हुआ था, so it will go and attach on this carbon, right? So again this will go on resonance with the oxygen, right? So resonance होने के बाद, so the bond formation will be just like this. Okay, so the bond formation will be just like this. देखिए, this is the CH of your attacking molecule, this is आपका ये CH है. Okay, so it goes and went on attack on carbonyl carbon, right? और ये जो नेगेटिव चार्ज ऊपर चला गया, so this is as well as the negative charge. So again workup होगा आपका, that is all the protons that is present, right? So it will go and add OH. So there at the last you will get aldol product. Here since we have used the product reactant as ketone, so what we'll get is we will get a beta hydroxy ketone. So this is our beta hydroxy ketone. Hope आपको ये clear है, right? Now let's take an example. See, so actually I have written a product here, so मैं आपको erase कर देता हूँ. Okay, I will show you how this came with a proper example, right? So first we need to identify the alpha proton. See, this is an alpha carbon, this is an alpha carbon. Since all the bonds of this carbon are having no hydrogen, ठीक है, तो ये हम कंसिडर नहीं कर सकते. So what we can go is we can go with this alpha carbon. So you will lose, यहाँ पे 3 हाइड्रोजन थे तो 2 चले गए, तो ये नेगेटिव चार्ज आया, ठीक है, आप पे नेगेटिव चार्ज. अगेन व्हाट विल हैपन इज देयर विल बी अनदर वन, यहाँ पे ये CH3, राइट. सो दिस इज योर CH3, right, this is your CH3. Now this pi bond, okay, so this will go and attack on this carbon, so the bond formation will takes place like this, right. Okay, this will be your CH2 C double O minus, ये आपका एक CH3, यहाँ पे एक tertiary, okay. Now again all this workup will be there, okay. So the product will be C double bond O CH2 C bond OH, okay, bond CH3. So this is your final product that you will get, okay. Again go for this. अगर यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो again what we have is benzaldehyde. Here what we have is this benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde again on reaction with base you will get a product. So let me know what will be the name of that product. You just write the IUPAC name, right. IUPAC name आप लिख के कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिए, okay. And please subscribe the video. Thank you and Jai Hind.